Welcome back to the Vibrant Health Project, everybody. I'm fired up for this one. We're diving deep into the world of muscle building, and trust me, this is more than just lifting heavy things. Today, we're breaking down the essential foods you need to be packing into your diet for maximum gains. We're talking about the building blocks, the fuel that's going to get you absolutely shredded. If you're ready to take your physique to the next level, you're in the right place. Alright, so you're hitting the gym hard, pushing yourself to the limit, trying to sculpt that dream physique. You're sweating buckets, lifting heavier weights each week and pushing through those grueling sets. It's a grind, but you know it's worth it. Every rep, every drop of sweat, it's all part of the journey to becoming the best version of yourself. That's amazing, man. I love the dedication. But here's the thing, you can't outrun a bad diet. You might be putting in all that hard work at the gym, but if you're fueling your body with junk, you're not going to see the results you want. It's like trying to drive a car with a flat tire. You won't get very far. Your diet is the foundation of your fitness journey. It's like trying to build a house on a foundation of sand. You need the right materials, the right fuel to build something truly incredible. Imagine trying to construct a skyscraper with flimsy, weak materials. It just wouldn't stand. The same goes for your body. You need to provide it with the right nutrients to support all that hard work you're putting in at the gym. That's where your diet comes in. Think of your body like a high-performance machine. Just like a sports car needs premium fuel to perform at its best, your body needs high-quality nutrients to function optimally. It's not just about eating less or cutting out certain foods. It's about eating the right foods that will give you the energy and strength you need. You wouldn't put crappy gas in a Ferrari, would you? No way. You'd give it that premium fuel, the stuff that makes it roar. The same principle applies to your body. You need to fuel it with the best possible nutrients to get the best possible performance. This means focusing on whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. Your body is the same way. You gotta feed it the good stuff, the nutrients it needs to recover, to grow, to become this powerhouse of muscle and energy. This means incorporating a variety of foods into your diet. Lean proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Each of these food groups plays a crucial role in supporting your overall health and fitness goals. And that's what we're talking about today. A well-rounded diet that's going to optimize your gains. It's not about following a strict, restrictive diet that leaves you feeling deprived. It's about making smart choices that nourish your body and support your fitness goals. Meal prepping can be a game changer here, allowing you to plan and prepare balanced meals that keep you on track. We're not talking about starving yourself, no way, man. We're talking about eating clean, eating smart, giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. This means listening to your body's hunger cues and fueling it with nutrient-dense foods that keep you satisfied and energized. It's about finding a balance that works for you and supports your long-term health and fitness goals. This isn't just about looking good, although let's be honest, that's a fantastic side effect. This is about feeling good, having energy, and unlocking your body's full potential. When you fuel your body with the right nutrients, you'll notice a difference in your energy levels, your mood, and your overall performance. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your goals and helps you become the best version of yourself. Now, let's talk protein, the holy grail of muscle building. Protein is essential for anyone looking to build muscle, lose fat, or simply maintain a healthy body. It's the nutrient that helps repair and grow muscle tissues, making it a cornerstone of any fitness regimen. This is non-negotiable, folks. Protein is the building block of muscle tissue. Without it, your muscles simply can't grow. It's like trying to build a house without bricks. You need those essential building blocks to create a strong foundation. When you're hitting the weights, you're actually creating tiny tears in your muscle fibers. This might sound alarming, but it's a natural and necessary part of the muscle building process. These micro tears are what signal your body to start the repair process. It sounds kind of brutal, but it's actually a good thing. These tiny tears are what lead to muscle growth. When your body repairs these tears, it doesn't just fix them, it makes the muscle fibers stronger and bigger to handle the stress better next time. See, your body uses protein to repair those tiny tears, making your muscles stronger and bigger in the process. This is where the magic happens. The protein you consume is broken down into amino acids, which are then used to repair and build new muscle tissue. It's like magic, but instead of wands and spells, it's all about amino acids and protein synthesis. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, and they play a crucial role in muscle repair and growth. Without them, your body can't effectively repair the muscle damage caused by your workouts. So how much protein are we talking about? Well, it depends on a few factors like your activity level and your individual goals. If you're highly active or looking to build significant muscle, you'll need more protein than someone who is less active or just looking to maintain their current physique. But a good rule of thumb is to aim for around 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. This means if you weigh 150 pounds, you should aim for 150 grams of protein per day. This might seem like a lot, but it's achievable with the right diet and supplementation. Now, before you go out and eat a whole cow, let's talk about good sources of protein. Not all protein sources are created equal, and it's important to choose high-quality options that provide all the essential amino acids your body needs. We're talking lean meats like chicken, fish, turkey. These are excellent sources of high-quality protein that are also low in fat, making them ideal for muscle building and overall health. We're talking eggs, Greek yogurt, beans, lentils. These options are not only rich in protein but also provide other essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are versatile and can be included in various meals throughout the day. And hey, if you're struggling to hit your protein goals through diet alone, a good quality protein powder can be a lifesaver. Protein powders are convenient and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine, whether it's in a shake, smoothie, or even baked goods. Just blend it up with some fruit, spinach, maybe a little bit of almond butter, and boom, you've got yourself a delicious protein shake that will fuel those gains. Remember, consistency is key. Make sure you're getting enough protein every day to support your muscle building goals and overall health. Alright, so we've covered protein, but it's not a one-man show. Protein is essential, but it's just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to building muscle. To truly optimize your muscle building potential, you need to consider the other key nutrients that play a crucial role in this process. We need to talk about the other key players in this muscle building game plan: carbohydrates and fats. These nutrients are often misunderstood, but they are just as important as protein in your diet. Now, I know what you're thinking. Aren't carbs the enemy? It's a common misconception that carbohydrates are bad for you, especially when it comes to building muscle. Listen, carbs have gotten a bad rap over the years. Many people believe that cutting out carbs is the key to losing weight and getting lean, but that's not entirely true. The truth is, your body needs carbohydrates for energy. They are the primary source of fuel for your body, especially during intense workouts. They're the fuel that powers your workouts and helps your muscles recover. Without enough carbs, you won't have the energy to push through those tough training sessions. But here's the key: not all carbs are created equal. It's important to choose the right types of carbohydrates to fuel your body effectively. We want to focus on complex carbohydrates, the good guys. These carbs are digested more slowly, providing a steady release of energy over time. These are found in foods like brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, oats. Incorporating these into your diet will help you maintain consistent energy levels throughout the day. These carbs provide sustained energy, unlike the sugar rush you get from processed junk. Processed carbs can lead to energy crashes and cravings, which can derail your muscle-building efforts. And then we have fats, the other essential nutrient. Fats are often misunderstood, but they play a vital role in your overall health and muscle-building journey. And no, I'm not talking about the greasy processed stuff. Those types of fats can be detrimental to your health and should be avoided. I'm talking about healthy fats, the kind found in avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil. These fats are beneficial for your body and can support your muscle-building goals. These healthy fats are crucial for hormone production, which is directly linked to muscle growth. Hormones like testosterone are essential for muscle development, and healthy fats help your body produce them. Plus, they help keep you feeling full and satisfied, which is key when you're trying to build muscle and manage your calorie intake. Healthy fats can help you stay on track with your diet and avoid overeating. So, how do you put it all together? Creating the ultimate muscle-building plate is about combining these nutrients in the right proportions. It's all about balance, my friends. You need to ensure that your plate has the right mix of protein, carbohydrates, and fats to support your muscle-building goals. Think of your plate as a pie chart. Visualizing your meals this way can help you make sure you're getting the right balance of nutrients. Aim for about 40% protein, 40% carbohydrates, and 20% healthy fats. This balance will provide your body with the nutrients it needs to build muscle, recover, and perform at its best. There you have it, folks. The blueprint for a muscle-building diet that's going to take your physique to the next level. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients so you can perform your best and achieve your goals. Now go out there, crush your workouts, and build that dream physique. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Stay tuned because we've got a lot more game-changing health and fitness advice coming your way.